Need to fix slow responses on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is working properly. If not, you can also try using cellular data. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the application Talkie AI. Once you're in, close the application and then reopen it. After that, head over to the App Store on your device. Inside App Store, in the address bar, search for Talkie AI. Click on this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once updated, now the next thing you want to do is tap and hold this assistive touch and then click on restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.